guys, so we came back from church, and I checked the seal on my pizza sauce, which has never happened before. I did not get a true seal on any one of those pizza sauce, so we have to pivot. So I am making pizza today. I'm making a lot of pizza today. So let's get to it. You're gonna hear the television in the back. That's the children. I put something on for them. Hopefully, God willing, they'll stay still and quiet. So I have 2 cups of warm water in here. I need 1 tablespoon of sugar, but it's actually, I'm doing 2. I'm doing 2 at a time. My KitchenAid cannot take that much. And it's 2 tablespoons of yeast. Okay, I have to turn this down. I'll turn that television down. So we're gonna let this rest for 10 minutes and then we'll be back. Let me just stir this in. Our yeast has finished. So now let's add the rest of our ingredients, which will be our flour, salt, so we need 5 cups of flour because I'm doubling this. And if you were only doing 1, you would do, so we need 2.5 cups of flour. But I doubled the recipe, so I need 3 cups of flour. If you were just doing 1 recipe, you would just do 2.5 cups. No, we don't need 3. We need 5 cups of flour. So I am going to put 3 in here and let that mix. Add on my bread dough mixer, I have my dough hook on. 3 cups of flour in here. Nevaeh, come and get this from here. Of salt.
Hey, Mommy.
Okay. And let it spin again. So this is my last pizza dough. So we did 4 so far. So I'm just going to leave this here. I'm gonna leave it in. I'm gonna leave this one. This is our fourth pizza dough mixture. So I'm gonna leave it inside of this, inside of the mixer bowl. I cleaned the counter. Wash my dishes. I bought these round cardboards, pizza cardboards. And I'm just doing like, it looks so, and I'm just going to cut this out. I am just going to cut this out. And this is parchment paper. So it's going to kind of help me with the sticking. You know what I should do? Put like, did it like this. It's so tiny. So with each one of those, I'm going to make two. I'm going to get two out of there. Two 12-inch out of there. So that will be 6 pieces all together. Probably could do some more. But that's what I'm going to do right now. So let me try this way. You want to kill 2 stones with one bird. Or no, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Kill 2 stones with 1 bird. Let me try it this way. So let's get this. This is our first dough that we did, that we mixed. So we're gonna deflate. This is I love this part. I think I mentioned this when I did the bread. But that is my favorite thing to do, is to deflate it. It sounds like our canna is boiling. It is. Hey Google, set a 15-minute timer.
All right, 15
and you're
minutes.
Try to do this
now.
as even as possible. I'm trying to get better. Right? Does that look right in the middle?
As I was saying, we must never take
We'll sprinkle a little flour on there. And let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll our circle as best as we can.
La familia Madrigal. La familia
Trying to do a perfect circle. Nevaeh, can you bring me those cheese, the string cheese? I know that's pretty big. I know. gonna try to center this.
I'm not nervous. I'm stuck, crust nervous. I'm in mountains, I'm in churches, and I glow 'cause I know I'm worth it. I don't ask how, I don't love it. Gotta love these, under the surface. I'm platinum, take what you handed, I'll break what's demanded. Under the surface, I feel the circus, a tightrope walker in the three-ring circus. Under the surface, it's Hercules, never like it all. Like sunrise, under the surface, you're pretty sure it's worthless if I give me a circus. All my crack, the story is back. The reason you was back, what the reason you was back. That'll never stop. Whoa. You just don't want.
So this is going to be my attempt at stuffed cheese, stuffed crust. So this is the pizza sauce that I canned. This is my first time canning pizza sauce. Making pizza sauce from scratch. I have made pizza sauce before where you get the marinara sauce and the can of tomato paste and you mix it together. You add your Italian seasoning or whatever you want to add to it. But I have never made pizza sauce from scratch with real tomatoes and you're cooking it down and everything else like that. I've never done that before. My first time. And it was a fail. I will do it again because we have pizza nights on Fridays. Mostly every Friday we have pizza night. So I had the cheese in the freezer. I had the all-purpose flour. I had all the stuff I needed. So I just went ahead and did it. And I just purchased some pepperoni because I was planning to make pizza in the future, but it was not going to be that day. It was not going to be on January 14th when I was going to make pizza. And then I had some small bags of Italian blend cheese and things like that. So it was a really good chance to use up what I had in the refrigerator. So I just went ahead and did it, and I rolled out 11 pizzas on this day. It was a real pizzeria up there. Look at my apron, full of powder and dust and whatnot, flour. So that's just me preparing the pizza. And I only had pepperoni. If this was something planned, I would have ground it down cooked up some sausage and all those different things. But you can do that later. You can add your sausage, your ground turkey, whatever you want to add to it. You can add your olives and pineapples. You take it out the oven, you defrost it, you bake it on 450 for 12 minutes or until it's at the brown color that you want it to be and the cheese is bubbling and everything. And you can take it out and add extra cheese to it on top of that cheese. So that was the first one, the stuffed crust. So I took that one to the freezer. And then I started doing the other pizzas. And then I realized, let me just go ahead and just do this and get it over and done with. And I just added the sauce to everything and the cheese and the pepperoni. And I finished that whole bag of pepperoni, finished a whole bag of cheese. But thank God I had more cheese in the freezer. So some of them got frozen cheese, which it's not a big deal. Anyhow, so that was my... We're done. And these are the jars we had with the pizza. I think it was 6 jars of pizza sauce, right? Yeah, 6 jars of pizza sauce that did not have a true seal when I canned them yesterday. So I had to use them. So I used them today. So we have 11 pizzas here. Yeah, it's a lot of pizza. I have one stuffed crust pizza. That's this thick one right here. This one right here. And the rest of them, I have some thin crust pizza, and I have 3 of the really big ones, 3 of the really big ones like this. And the rest are, I think these are 12. Yeah, these are the 12-inch pizzas. 12-inch pizzas and then the 14-inch pizzas. So, when life throws you lemons, you make pizza, right? Because we needed to use this up and I was not throwing this out. These are tomatoes from my harvest, of my 2023 harvest, and I was not wasting it. So these pizza are going to go into the freezer, and trust me, this will be done in a month in my house. My kids can eat pizza. Some of them can eat 3 slices to 4 slices in one sitting, okay? I don't know where they put it, because I'm just looking at this pizza, I will get fat, okay? I will gain weight. Anywho, so I want to thank you guys for coming along with me. See my whole flour, I look like a real baker. I got flour all on my apron and everything. So that's it. That's it for tonight. 10:41. Time for me to go to bed. You guys, if you have not clicked on the like button yet, please click on the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Sharon. This is Abeautifuljungle. We do gardening, we do canning, and sometimes we have mishaps, and then I get to show you what I'm going to do with those mishaps. Turn them into pizza, right? So you should have seen like the previous garden videos and things like that, but there's more garden videos coming out for the fall winter garden, and then we have our spring garden coming up, and we have summer garden coming up as well, and then we have to do more canning of more jams and jellies, okay? And I'm gonna do some apple cider vinegar. So just come along with me and we will get it done, God willing. Guys, have a blessed day, and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.